Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert the number which are written in shorthand with the KMB like million, billions and trillions into real actual numbers and also vice versa. I have a list of full numbers. I'll be converting into shorthand format like 1500 is converted into 1.5k and this 2 million is converted into 2m. I know nobody cares about the formula, so I will give you the sample Excel file in the description and also a text file containing the formulas. In here we will delete all this one and I will put the number like 2564. It will be 2.6k, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 54, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 2.3 billion. We are adding 3 more zeros. It will be 2.3 trillion. In here we have numbers in shorthand format with K, M, B and T. If we change the value to 1.5, we can change it to 250.3. So we will get the actual value here. Let me delete this one. 354K, 658B. So it will go on. As I told you before, you can download this file from the description. That's all for the video. See you next time. Bye.